In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Internet Download Manager with Firefox for an enhanced downloading experience. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure that everything is set up smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to install Internet Download Manager, or IDM. Begin by heading to the official IDM website, where you can download the software. Always make sure you're downloading from the official site to avoid any unnecessary risks or potential malware. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the setup wizard. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the installation process. It's pretty straightforward, and just a few clicks will get IDM up and running on your computer. Now that IDM is installed, let's move on to Firefox. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll see a menu button that looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and Themes. This will bring you to the Extensions tab, where you can manage all the extensions installed on your browser. Next, once IDM is up and running, it should automatically add an extension to Firefox called the IDM Integration module. Check to see if it's already there. If it is, make sure it's enabled. This is crucial because this extension allows Firefox to communicate with IDM, making your download experience seamless. However, if you don't see the IDM integration module in your list of extensions, don't worry, we can manually add it. Open up IDM on your computer and navigate to Options, then General. Toward the bottom, you'll see an option to add a browser. If Firefox isn't automatically detected, you can handle this manually. Go to your File Explorer and navigate to C/Program Files x86 Internet Download Manager. Look for a file named IDMMZZZCT.xpi. This is the installer for the IDM extension. Simply drag and drop this file into Firefox, which will initiate the installation of the IDM integration module. Finally, to ensure everything is configured correctly, restart Firefox. Close it and then open it again. This step is essential as it refreshes the browser and allows any new settings or extensions to take effect. Once Firefox is open again, try downloading a video or any file. If everything was set up correctly, IDM should capture the download immediately. This means that your IDM is now successfully integrated with Firefox, and you can enjoy faster, more reliable downloads. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to setting up Internet Download Manager with Firefox. Thank you for watching.